What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here. Today I want to talk about how I try to prepare my horse for things like 4th of July and New Year's Eve, the two major holidays that are just really stressful for horse owners. So let me start off by, let's go feed Bailey, and I'll talk to you guys as she's eating. Let's go. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo.
Eat, girl, eat. So first things off, her feed pan is about almost full. So yes, eat, girl, eat. Today is really hot. So I added a lot of extra water to her feed because I want her as hydrated as possible. Because later on tonight, as the fireworks start, she's going to be doing a lot of running around and a lot of panicking. So I kind of want her as hydrated as possible. I'm going to empty out her water trough, put in fresh, clean water in there, so that she has plenty of fresh, cool water. And I guess I'll cut in later on this evening so you can see how scared she is and how stressful it is for her. So let me go ahead and empty out the water trough, refill it with some nice cool fresh water, and I'll cut back in later on this evening once the fireworks start. So one of the first things I do, and after today, I'm going to order some things online to maybe help this even more. First thing, fresh cool water. Second thing, I'm feeding her 3 hours earlier than I normally do because I don't want her running around with a full stomach, a stomach full of food. So I'm feeding her three, almost 4 hours earlier than I normally do. And fresh clean water and some stuff that I want to order online, or they make earplugs for horses. So I think I want to do some research on that and see if I can order some tonight. At least I'll be prepared for New Year's Eve. Oh, I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes already. I want to be prepared for New Year's Eve. And if possible, I want to talk to my neighbors too and see if they do anything different to prepare their horses. They have 4 horses on their property, and they're right next door to me. But I do want to talk to them, see what they do, see if they do anything different. Alright, I talked to my friends, and they said that they didn't have to do anything different with their horses, that there were some people shooting off fireworks last night, which prompted me to do this video. So they said after the first firework went off, they got a little skittish, and then after that their horses were fine. But their horses have an advantage. There's 4 of them over there. Bailey's at a disadvantage. She's by herself. Alright. If you can't hear in the background, people are already starting to shoot stuff off. Whew, hot. Bailey's in her stall, chilling out, relaxing right now. And let's go take a look at her. Hi, pretty. Look at your dirty face. Don't bite the camera. Look at your dirty face. Look at all that. Alright, y'all. So right now she's kind of chilling, relaxing in the sun. I mean in the shade. Not the sun, in the shade. And we'll just cut back in a little bit. Well, in a few hours when it's dark. And hopefully she won't be too bothered, but I think that it's going to be just like any other time with fireworks with her. She's going to be really scared. Running, pacing. As you can see, she's already sweating because it is very, very hot out here today. And I'm glad she's just chilling out in the shade for now. And hopefully this year won't be as bad as I wish for every year. Right, water trough is full. Nice, fresh, clean water. She's already had a nice, good drink from it. So, got that done. Alright, y'all. I'll cut back in later on this evening. And I'll be out here probably for a little bit with Bailey. Trying to keep her calm. Keep her from being too overly worried so she's not out here by herself. A lot of times I'll spend a few minutes out here and I'll just come out several times just to check on her. She usually stays close to the water, so hopefully she'll do that. Alright, y'all, I'll cut back in later on this evening. It's still daylight. They've already started. Bailey's already worked herself up into a sweat. Scared out of her mind. Hey, girl. You're alright. You're fine. This is going to be her for the next 5 or 6 hours. Running, trotting, running, trotting. Scared. Hey, girl. You're all right. You're fine. And the fact that they're starting early means that she's going to be out here running even longer. It's going to get worse after dark. She's just going to be running around like this for hours. She never hangs out over there. That's the furthest away that she can get from that over there. I am glad that it has cooled off out here quite a bit. And she'll get so scared that I can't even get her to come to me. And she always comes to me. She's just so panicked that she just can't. She just can't. Alright. I'll come back out in a little bit later. It's hour 3 of the fireworks and things going off, and Bailey is covered in sweat. There's not a dry spot on her body anywhere. Thankfully, it's a lot cooler now and the wind has picked up. But I'm actually able to get her to come to me. She's right here. Pretty soon, I'm not going to be able to see her. You can see she's almost black with sweat. There's not a dry spot on her. Look how black she is with sweat. Alright, she's right here by me. And this is what I do, y'all. I just put my hand on her right here. Of course, she's looking over there. They're setting off some big stuff, too. You're alright. Hey! Oh, she's just scared. Whew. Gnats. That was my neighbor coming to check. She saw me out here and decided to come over. She says she's been watching Bailey run around for the last couple hours. I say, yeah. I just keep my hand on her. And I'm careful not where I put my hand because I don't want her to break my arm. Panicking because she keeps running off and then she'll come back. You're alright. You're not gonna die, I promise. At least this time she's coming to me. This camera's really good at picking up a lot of light. It's really dark out here, y'all. Let's see. Her heart's probably going a mile a minute. I just keep my hand on her here. Just let her know I'm right here. A few minutes ago, they let one off and it was really low and bright and it just went right across there. It's just, ugh. I don't know if you guys can see me. Yeah. She didn't take off running at that one. The only thing I can do is hope that they run out of fireworks before Bailey runs out of energy for running. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to give her a nice, sloppy, wet breakfast full of water, extra water, also to rehydrate her. That's all I can do, is try and keep her hydrated. Sweet girl. And I'll stand out here and I'll just keep periodically coming out. Camera's having a hard time focusing right now because of the low light. There it goes. Have to be careful because she does turn in towards me because she's been trained to do that. Instead of turning against me, she does turn in towards me, so I have to make sure I watch my arm here. So when she starts moving, I'm going to pull my arm away. She's not shaking. She's not shaking at all. I figured she'd be trembling with fear, but she's not. Pulling my arm away. Yeah, she's really scared of that one. You had to run away on that one, huh? Couldn't stand still for that. You're alright. She's not even listening to me. Oh, there, she did cock an ear towards me. She's snorting. Four-wheelers. She doesn't mind the four-wheelers, but these fireworks and all the loud noises and stuff, and that's what's scaring her the most. Oh, there goes some more. Stuffs. She's licking and chewing. It's getting harder and harder to see her. And we're the farthest away that she can get from all the scary stuff. And y'all, we got fireworks happening all around. There's fireworks happening over that way. There's stuff happening over that way. And stuff happening over that way. So all the nearby towns, we can see a lot of the fireworks, even through some of the trees. I can see them over there. You can see them out in the distance, popping out in the distance some. It's all scary stuff. So we're just like totally surrounded by it. All right, y'all. It's getting too dark to do any more filming tonight, so I'm still going to be out here putting my hand on her, holding her, giving her a little bit of security while I'm out here. And I'll periodically keep coming out and checking on her just to make sure she doesn't hurt herself. You probably can't see me anymore. I just don't want her to hurt herself. Fireworks over there. Got them over there and over here at the same time. Can't see her anymore. Alright, like I said, I'm going to keep coming out here checking on her. I know you guys probably can't see me anymore, so I'll cut back in tomorrow morning and let you know how she fared over the night. Alright, y'all. Oh, I stayed up so late last night. I was up till about 2, 3 o'clock this morning. Not doing any hard partying. I don't do any of that, but just me and Joe just sitting talking, and went over to my neighbor's house. We had such a good time over there. They shot off a few fireworks, and it was good. It was really good. We had a good time. Good conversation. Nice to get along and have a good time with your friends that are your neighbors, but your friends that you could consider family, that you've known for as long as I've been living here. All right, enough babbling. I'm so sleepy. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go feed Bailey. I don't have it zoomed in, but she's right in the middle there. Might be able to see her a little bit. Hey, girl. You did a lot of running last night, didn't you, girl? Like you see, guys, she's fine. The only thing I do is I look her over for any injuries or any puffiness, swellingness of her legs. Her legs look fine. She's already sweating. She's not normally that dark. That's all sweat and wet. The humidity here in North Carolina is a bear. Sweat. That's all sweat. Alright. She looks good. You survived. You thought you were going to die last night, didn't you? Got our good good watery breakfast. And I'll give her a super watery breakfast again. I mean dinner again this evening. So that's an additional 10 gallons for the day, plus what she drinks. So keeping her hydrated is really, really the most important thing here. All right, let me rinse out that bucket and be right back. Yep, keeping her hydrated is the key. And even talking to my neighbors, John and Nicolette, and my other neighbor, Ray, he also has horses. And he said his horses don't do anything either. I guess Bailey's the only scaredy cat out of the whole group. But like I said earlier, she's also at a disadvantage because she doesn't have any other pasture mates to help keep her calm either. So there's that. All right, y'all, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.